I am a third-year student here at Ohio State, and my research interest is online social networking. My research topic is generally it is online social networking, but specifically I look at sense of virtual community. So how do individuals have a sense of community in a virtual setting similar to the type of sense of community that they would have in an urban or a neighborhood setting, or even a college campus setting. What I actually study are currently 10 Facebook groups that I purposely selected for the sample of my research, which actually represents a senior thesis in the Department of Sociology. And in that process, I came to study 10 groups specifically. And an example of some of the groups is an Asian Cultural Society at a university that chose to create a student organization group on Facebook. I'm studying a humorous Facebook that kind of makes jokes as to what makes someone a redneck or what doesn't make someone a redneck. So really, I think I look at a lot of different types of Facebook groups to kind of gain a lot of perspective on the different types of groups that are available for users to become a part of. As far as advice for students who are looking to get involved in research, especially research that may not be traditional lab research that people think automatically is considered research with beakers in a lab, all of that is great, but if that isn't something that you're interested in academically, then it's not something that you're going to be very successful at. And so the first step I would say is find something that you're passionate about. Find something that you think you will be successful with. And the second step is finding the resources and the people who will help you to get from where you are and then where you want to be. The big step is understanding that you have to take initiative in finding those resources and finding those people, because they are not going to just magically appear. You have to do a little bit of searching. And then from there on out, it's all about listening to some really, really strong leaders in the field that you're able to kind of navigate the process and meet. Listen to their experiences, listen to their advice, and then have the discipline to really create a framework for your project. What do you want to do? How do you want to study what you want to do? What kind of time commitment is it going to be? What kind of experiences do you have to take part in to be successful? And it starts off with some research questions. They can change later. Starting to work off of maybe a literature review or kind of seeing the other things people are doing. And then translating that into your own project, or if you don't feel as though you're ready for your own project, a really great piece of advice is join a research team. Just be a data collector for someone else, and it'll really help you to kind of learn the process of research and to kind of learn what goes into it. So that's what I would recommend. I think that my favorite part of research is building relationships with faculty and advisors, and also another favorite part of it is the freedom to kind of go with it where I want and to take control over my project and to be the one who has my name on it at the end of the day, where I can be judged based on the work that I have done.